One thing I learned from today is that we can actually do a lot more on WeChat. It's not just about launching articles or posts, but you can actually launch ads as well as a lot of different techniques in there that's all integrated into one channel. So I think that would be very useful where we're always faced with one channel for one objective always.
It's very important to consistently, especially for me, be across all social media platforms and understand, how I can incorporate those into my clients' full-scale social strategies. So I think even if it's not necessarily a platform that they're currently using, I want to, have the expertise and the knowledge available to at least offer that option to them.
We deal with a different airlines. So in Asia Pacific, we have a couple of airlines from Singapore, like for example, Singapore Airlines still is our customer. We have airlines in Hong Kong, in China, in Taiwan, in Malaysia. And we notice that there's a lot of passenger, a lot of PRC that's traveling. And WeChat is a very big thing in terms of payment. So we are really wanting to see how we can leverage on this platform to reach out to the end consumer. Essentially, it's the passenger who travel.
How I think we can do it is we can hire someone who's quite good with Mandarin in the first place to start churning out articles and blogs for readers as well, and start inviting people from abroad to come into our channel as well from Singapore.
I guess now what we need to do is the step 2, we need to work with our airline customer to launch an official platform and to be able to roll out and making use of the airline's official account to roll out to the passenger when it comes to the in-flight duty-free sales.
The trainer is very knowledgeable. He's able to answer questions that we pose at him, whether or not it's being taught or if we have some suggestions that he can offer.
The trainer has been fantastic, very personable, very friendly, open to questions. So yeah, I think he's been great.
The trainer is definitely a professional. He knows what he is doing. He's very knowledgeable about the content that he's delivering.